Hey everyone, M1 Shadow here. Today I've got something a little different for you. This is a taco burger. Yes, you heard right, a taco burger. Easier to do than you would imagine, and I think it's going to be pretty good. So let's get started. What I have here is 1 pound of ground beef. I'm using an 80-20 mixture. I think that seems to be one of the best ones, but I've got some taco seasoning over here. Now I'm eyeballing this. I don't think I'm going to use the whole package because I just think that would be a little too much. Even though 1 pound goes with, you know, standard tacos, there's also water mixed in with them. So I'm putting a little bit more than half of the package. Then you want to just get in here and mix the beef up really well. Then at this point you could decide, you could either do 4 ounce patties, but I'm going to do 2 8-ounce patties. And once we have them formed, just take your thumb and just go ahead and push down in the middle. That just kind of helps it from bubbling up. So here we have our cast iron pan. It's good and heated, medium heat. Throw a little bit of butter on there. Now we're going to go ahead and throw our burgers on there. Going to cover them and come back and check on them in a few minutes. So it's about 2 minutes later, and these are smelling so good, but let's go ahead and give them their first flip. Cover them and come back probably another 2 to 3 minutes. Here it is, probably about 3 minutes later. Let's go ahead and flip these. What I've got over here is some green chilies, diced green chilies. We're going to put those on each one. And we have over here some taco blend cheese. Let's go ahead and get that on there. And then we're going to cover this again and let it melt, and that should only take probably about another minute. So it ended up taking about another 3 minutes to fully melt, so about a good, I want to say, maybe 9 minutes cooking time. Let's start dressing this up. Got some sour cream. That is pretty much a must. Now we got some diced tomatoes. Got to put them on there. A little bit of taco sauce. And I got some lettuce. This is actually spring mix. I like it better than regular lettuce, but you know, use whatever you want. And here you have it. Our taco burger is done. We got to give it the taste test. I'm hoping it's as good as I'm expecting. Wow. If you like tacos and you like burgers, I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. Give it a try. As always, I do want to thank you all for watching, and have a good one.